You know, I love to use a turntable in my fridge. I've used ones from Dollarama before. However, I recently found a new product, and this one is from IKEA. It's a turntable. You can place it in your fridge. However, it's rectangular in shape, so it doesn't waste as much space as the round turntable does. It's quite easy to put together. It has a base, it has suction cups that suction right to the fridge, which is super handy, and then it has that top that spins around. Makes everything so much more easy to access, and it fits perfectly in a fridge.